The iconic P50 microcar. The P50, created in the 1960s on the Isle of Man, is an iconic microcar that rightly deserves its place in automotive history. It stands out for its compactness and unique concept. With just one seat and a three-wheel design, it resembles a miniature car without doors. Despite its small size, the P50 is practical and fuel efficient. Its small motor provides modest power, but its lightness allows it to navigate city streets and pass through narrow passageways. It has become a symbol of practicality and fuel economy. The P50 has gained attention and laughter, but it has also become a cult object among collectors and lovers of unusual cars. It's not just a car, but an interesting and fun piece of automotive history. The P50 proves that sometimes a small size and a unique concept can make a car incredibly interesting and fun to learn and drive. It's a true icon in the world of microcars. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos.